Y'all ready for this?
Make sure you lock all your windows completely.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Almost. So guys, good morning. I think this camera is like a little clearer. Let me open it. So good morning guys. So we're going to Warri. People that don't know that I was born in Warri. I was raised in Warri. I only did my SS3 here. I came in 2020. Basically, like period. So like we're going back to my auntie's wedding and I'm like not emotional because we're not staying for long, like the world. But like, yeah, and I'm sorry I did not do a hair vlog and didn't go. But that's it. Let's go to Warri with me. My name is Daniel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. I post vlogs, lifestyle trends. Subscribe to my channel, please. Make sure to turn on your post notifications because why not? And let's get into the video. I'm wearing almost like all black and white. Like my shorts aren't black, so it's like almost a black and white all through kind of stuff. Chicken. I should be eating by now, guys. Now I am being forced to fry this thing. Fry plantain, fry egg.
I can fry to fry egg, boil water.
Front door lock. Mommy's front door lock. Shall I lock it?
Check inside. Where's my handbag?
Is this how you with your hair? Don't you talk to my brother? Which time? Yes.
I cook it.
What are you eating? Put it on the floor now. Put it back.
The sun now. Sun is burning. Well, let's not again this thing.
Sun is burning.
What's on the phone? You that feel all the cold water the freezer. You know refill. That's it annoying. But some of that freezer, I don't go see cold water drink because of you.
Me?
My forefathers.
Oh.
Neat kids. How strong would that be good for pictures? I go snap that side.
Listen.
How strong?
I just Google to finish this thing.
My purse is inside my handbag. And Daniela check for me.
No.
The purse is not there. Like seriously. Okay.
I'm not favorable. So favorable. Where's that speaker? You get mad. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm talking to you. Oh, blow your eye. I'm gonna play my love song. I'll open the fire this one. Is it what?
There's dirty your slippers. I'm not seeing it.
Sorry, ma. You dirty my slippers.
My mom will be so angry.
I did not dirty anywhere now. So, you won't beat me.
No.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. Yo! How do you see this here and say it's old? You when do you make your own?
Let's say on Tuesday.
When do you finish school?
On Tuesday. Yeah, on Tuesday.
How was the exam?
Yeah, great.
Hope you wrote well. You carry first. What was the last?
I don't know.
What was the last position?
The last position. I took C.
C a grade now. C out of F. See my minions. My tiny little minions. Say subscribe to my channel. Say subscribe to my channel. My little minions. Okay, let's go. I've gone downstairs like 30 times today. 30 times. Like 20,000 times. 30,000. I have a turkey. I don't know if I'm just still it over. Oh, guys. Today is the wedding. Imagine waking up around 6 when the wedding is like 10. I know that it's supposed to like wake up early and stuff, but like for real. I want to be like, I want to vlog, you know, see you guys everything. I just tell you to come in my vlogs. Hope you guys are moving here yourself. Yeah. It's been a beautiful. I think I could stay longer. Really, fun. Wow. Say subscribe to my channel. That's such a Debbie Downer. I don't have eyes. Why? What spirit is doing? So what did Auntie Shoma do to people?
Sometimes she used to not cause a bit.
Because of purity?
Yes.
Why is she doing so? This Auntie Shoma, purity, and which other person?
Yeah.
Now give me premium gift. So after that day in church, did the purity do any other anointing to people?
Yeah.
What did you do?
When we were talking to her, Purity, please rest. You already talked a lot. I'm feeling headache. So Satoma and I say, okay, if you do that is Purity, that you are talking like this in our house,
Okay, so Purity used to talk too much.
She used to talk too much, oh Jesus. She will talk and talk. Through the night over. She doesn't even sit at one place. She will jump to one room to another.
Is that so? Purity like jumping up and down.
And she likes giving somebody a headache.
She used to give you a headache. How old is the Purity self?
I don't know. 7 years.
7 years old.
Like Chamaka. When Chamaka wants to eat, when the Chamaka is for her, she shouts, Chamaka, don't is for me. Is it because I'm your age? Don't is for me. I'm not your age. Don't is for me.
I thought they are age mates. 7 years old.
Yes, Chamaka 7 years. She's 7 years.
So why can't Chamaka know it's for her?
I'm not for her. He said, Chamaka, don't is for me. Is it because I'm keeping quiet all this time when you are issue for me?
Or she won't beat Chamaka before.
She used to shout at Chamaka. Chamaka used to use harshness and her. One day she come and meet me. Mr. Marvelous, I know you are harsh, but please, sorry for what I did. I said, but you don't used to tell your secrets now.
Wait.
Anything she did, she just used to tell Chama. That's what I told her. She had to tell Chama. She wants Chama to quarrel with the person first.
Okay, she do something. She will not say what she did bad.
She can't test Chama.
Is that so? Why are you hiding from my camera? Say subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe.
Our compound people already having clicks and gains. So when Choma come and interview her, and she and her Purity friends. Small video where I do you don't call my bonnet. It's always your audacity. That's the other.
Where you going now?
I don't like it now.
That's where it is.
It's in the kitchen.
Glove. Oh, this rice smells very nice.
That's how I'm managing.
It smells
Like
like.
place, they like freezing.
Yeah, this much a minute no go break it. It's serious. People think Amon is Jedi.
Yeah.
Like people don't know the difference.
Yeah.
You think that boy that came the other time is that boy? doing please. Where's the Chiamaka then? Are they waiting to dress up for the wedding? Yeah? Come on, collect this phone by the way. Come on, collect it. Don't pick that call.
But should I remove the video?
What's this? Sunday. Today we're not finished. We're heading back to work. To Port Harcourt. That won't stay longer though. We won't do anything. Port Harcourt first. I'm not calling you Port Harcourt. Inside this story. Nobody.
When they stay now, they're not going to reach 2 days now. Fight don't start.
Even not stay 2 days. And that's how it's fighting.
Because that don't start to the fight already.
How?
How much should they sell? How much should they sell?
She goes, yeah,
I think your PR is the work.
Mommy, you like it? Do you have it? Okay. I feel like it. Hello, see. I'm back. We're back. I'm frying plantain and boiling, warming the party rice. Cause I don't know. I'm cleaning kitchen and I clean my room, have my bath, then just live. You guys know this room. You guys are already familiar with this. These trenches, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this 3-day vlog. The 3-day, it was fun though. I enjoyed it for one. Yeah, it was fun for me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys subscribe. Yeah, because Chiamaka said people subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.
Yes, people have to subscribe. Yeah, thank you guys. I got me using that one for you.
What's it?
No bottles. 4 eyes. How many eyes did I put?
6.
How many eyes did I put?
6.
My names. Come and see your glasses. Come and see how medicated this is.